Okay, we're down here at the mobile sheep pen, and I'm gonna do some repairs on it. Well, basically, I'm gonna replace this tarp. You can see how it's gone to pieces, and I mean, it lasted a pretty good little while, about a year, and I've got a new one. I'm gonna do it just a little bit different, try to make it come over more this way. So I'm gonna get my tools together, and I'll meet you around to the back of this pen. So here's one of the sheep. This right here is the boy. He likes to give me a little loving every day. So it's not time yet. I ain't feed you yet, but I got you something special, okay? So I'll meet y'all around back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this part off, and then I'm gonna cut it somewhere right around here, because this back part's still fairly decent. And that way when I put the new tarp down or over, I can go more that way and give them a little more cover. So one way to get this pulled off till it's seen better days. But I think I got one here, the new one. I get them at Harbor Freight, and I think I gave about $2.99 for it. So and it's lasted over a year for that kind of money. You can't beat that for that kind of money. So see how easy it is to cut. The back part's still good. I'm gonna get the new one and see how it works out here. I'm gonna try to do this without freaking him out. If they do really good, I got a treat for them. Okay, I got it up here about where I want it. And I'm gonna screw this right here into that. I think I'll use these. I got some old ones to start with. So this is an exterior screw with we call them fender washers. They're like a regular hole, but the washer's bigger. So I want to see how good they do. Screw it right there. All right. I'm gonna try to put it about the same level. That's pretty good, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm gonna pull the other end first and get it tight. And then all right, let's see. Put one here, put one there. Let me get my other screws over here. I should work my way up. Okay, I'm going to start on the way on the back, work my way towards the front. That way, I think I might be able to get a little tighter. If I can figure out how all this works. Here we go. All right. These are some screws I had left over from the screen and porch build. Might even come back and staple this. I think I did that on the last one. I can bring my air compressor down, fill it up with air, and put a little pneumatic staple on it. Does a little better, I think. Might be all right. Let's try the other side and see what it looks like. This side I'm lapping over the, I lapped it over the edge. I think it's really like 8 foot 3 inches or something, or 8 foot 1 inch and a half instead of just, I think this thing is exactly 8 foot, so the tarp is just a little bit bigger, I think. And I'll probably let it sit for a little while, and like a day or two, and I'll come back with my staples and really put it pretty tight then. Now I'm kind of going to, if you can see, I've kind of got, I put a board there, kind of make a little roof. So it's actually the way I got it now, I think is like a little hip roof. I'm actually coming out another, looks like 4 more feet. So I want to give them a little more cover, especially, well, I should have done this, you know, a couple months ago or a month ago. It's been kind of bad. It's been busy. So anyway, back to what I was saying, I'm going to leave it kind of drooping. That way when it rains, it'll run off, even though it runs in there. We move it every day, so they won't be like a mud puddle. All right. It's pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like that. It wasn't a big job, but it was a job I had to get done, so we do what needs to be. I think I'm gonna put one right there real quick while I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I like it. I let it sit there for a day or two, and sometimes it'll stretch, and then I'll take my stapler and staple it real good. Like I said, it's not a big job. It took about 10 minutes, and but it's something we had to get done, and I think they're gonna like it. But while I've got them down here, I'll show you what I kind of had in mind. You can see I've got this strip where I've been having them in here in these weeds, and I'm having them come through and eat the weeds, and I'm running my chickens behind them, and they're taking it down even farther. You see this right here? Chickens were here about a few days ago. They're, well, I've just now pulled these around, but usually I run the chickens behind the sheep. And what I want to do, I leave the chickens on there until it gets dirt. So sometimes I've been doing about, 2 or 3 days in the same spot. So they're taking it down to the dirt and fertilize it. And my idea was I was going to run my cutting hard over this and throw seed out, grass seed and stuff. But I ain't going to get to that because of my surgery coming up. So, but this worked out pretty good. So I'm going to keep this in mind. Maybe I can do it in the spring or early winter or late winter, I guess, too. So anyway, I got a treat for them, and I'm going to show you how they eat it, and I'm going to go get that out of the side by side, and we'll film that. They love apples, and I picked up some old apples under the tree up there, and like I said, I think I said in my live, I tried to give them to the goats. Goats snort their nose at them, but they love them down here. Let's see what they do. You can see how they love them apples, and I throw them, I got a couple of watermelons that I've been saving too. I throw them in there. I don't feed them apples every day. I think an apple seed is poisonous in large amounts, so I feed about 2 or 3 times a week. I give them some apples and whatever we got. I give them some pumpkins. I got some more watermelons I'm saving too. They love watermelons, so I might show that again when they eat a watermelon. They eat it rind and all. They love it. So anyway, I just thought it's funny. There's some some amazing animals there. I mean, they eat weeds down to the ground, and really happy with them. You know, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but kind of like a little four-legged bush hog. All right, so I hope you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll be live Monday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. It'll be our last live for a while. I only got probably 2 more videos after this one. So be watching for that, and we'll see you Monday at 8 p.m. My co-host is coming back, so look forward to that. And well, it's probably going to be my permanent co-host. That's what I should say. I shouldn't say it coming back. So anyway, I'm rambling. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. Support your local churches. And we'll see you back here in the farm in the next video.